Hello, today we're going to start by extracting some details from an architecture diagram of an automotive ECU. So we're going to create a new project called Automotive ECU 2, and we'll let the AI determine what exactly this ECU is, but of course this is the kind of thing that we would typically import or input. We'll create this project, and we're going to skip over this exercise of setting the standards for a given project. We're instead just going to use the default configuration for a DFMEA. So we're going to click into Run Safety Analysis and click over to the FMEA tab. And what we're going to do in here is we're going to start by importing this example. So let's go over to our example documents. We're going to take our automotive ECU diagram and we're going to upload this one. You can see what it looks like right now. You can see it's a microcontroller with a whole bunch of different components that have a bunch of different potential functions. So one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to actually understand what these potential functions are when we load them into our item definition. And you can see that this can be done either by providing item definitions or a past FMEA, which actually gets used to populate the full FMEA down below. So we're going to cut this off. We're just going to try extracting the items from the diagram, and we'll see what it does. So I'll pause for just a sec while this finishes, and we'll take a look when it's done. All right, this just finished, and it looks like it extracted 13 different items from this ECU. So we can see a little bit of what got extracted. So we got a definition of the system, automotive ECU, as per the name of the project. We got a function from the definition that we input earlier, the kind of information we wouldn't necessarily have in the actual item definition here. We have all the interfaces that were available there, the different operating modes that seem apparent based on the interfaces that are present, and the system boundary that will actually be used when performing the FMEA. So there you have it. You have all of these components that are extracted that are put into a component hierarchy. We can manipulate this as well by, for example, adding subsystems or systems. And with further iteration, we'll also extract systems and subsystems when they are present. But for now, we just have the standard system to component traceability. And this is what we'll use to produce an FMEA shortly.